One of the reasons that we ask people to stay on trail, especially when you're around cultural sites like this, is for the site's protection. And we are charged as sort of the land managing agencies. We're charged with protecting and stewarding these sites for future generations. And that's by enforcing state and federal laws, depending on where you are, that protect our cultural, archaeological, historic sites throughout our park system and throughout the state of Colorado. So when you visit sites like this, you may see things like fencing or these signs that tell you, kind of how to behave around these cultural sites. And that is solely for their protection, right? We want to make sure that these sites are still standing generations from now for future kids and adults to come and learn about them when they visit Staunton or our other parks.